Hi guys, so another new feature that you may want to play around with on the latest version of Business Central is the rich text editor. And if you're online, you can also maybe test drive Copilot with this. So I am logged into a demo version, a cloud demo version of version 22 point something or other. And I've gone into an item card. And if you have the text box, the fact boxes displayed, you should find this thing in the middle of the page that says marketing text. And if we go into edit, we now have a rich text editor. Now, I'm going to come back to the Copilot story, but let's just show you what you can do with this plain, with editing it yourself. So start by writing some text. And if you look at the bottom, you can say, set it to bold, for example, and underline. Let's change the color to something like, let's make it purple. And we can change the font style. We can change the font size. Okay, there's a heading. Right, let's go down. I'm going to turn these things off again. And go back to a smaller font and go back to regular text. Oh, sure, didn't want to do that. Okay, we'll fix it now. Okay, let's just highlight that. Turn my color off again, turn off my underline, turn off my bold. And I could, for example, let's see what this does. That's left, center, right aligned. Cool. I could have bullet points. I could have a numbered list. I can indent and outdent. Quotes, not too sure what that really does, to be honest, but there it is. I can insert a hyperlink. I can do a subscript, superscript, subscript, and strike through. I could import a picture from a file, something like that. I'm not going to do that right now. I could also, let's put the end there for a second. Boom. I could paste a picture, a screenshot, such as this. Okay, undo, I think that speaks for itself. Undo the text. I can also insert a table. So let's say keep it simple, 2 by 2 table. Table column 1, column 2, some info, some more info, and so on. Let's see what happens if I press tab. I haven't tried this. Okay, that goes out. So a little bit basic there. So the text editing is really pretty rudimentary. I would anticipate that this will get better with time, but well, it's a good start and it's a lot more than we've had in the past. But what is really, really cool is to try out the Copilot. So let's go say okay there. Let's go and see if we can find another item. Okay, boardroom set. So what I can do here is I can right here go and say create a draft. And it's going to go and write me a text description of this item. Okay, let's go and have a look, review and save the suggestion, go in there. So, oh, that doesn't look too bad. That's a pretty good guess. Takes a lot of the donkey work out for me. And then now I can go and do my cool formatting. Let's make that nice and bold. No, that's too big. Let's make it 16. That's better. And I like purple. And there's my marketing bump. So now the question is, where would you use this? My guess is if you want to link your BC database into your e-commerce site or into your website, you can basically do all of your editing. Well, maybe that's a bit of a stretch, but a lot of your editing and creation of your additional data, your descriptive data for your item, you can do directly in Business Central without having to use outside tools and so on. So as I say, I think this is still fairly basic. The other thing I didn't actually show you is we can highlight text. So let's say, for example, this is quite a nice little thing. Right, so you can do various things with it. Still pretty basic. My expectation is that it will eventually get better, improve with time. And this could become a really useful tool. In the meantime, play around with it and share it with people. I think this would be quite a nice little addition to our demo pack. Let me know what you think. Ciao for now.